Hello everyone, Triple NI with an accent inducing mouth ulcer here. I got one of these cool heatsink, excuse me, heatsink things for reasonably cheap. I mean, wasn't cheap by Indian terms, but whatever. This isn't copper, but at least it looks cool. It came with these 3M pads. The 9448A is unfortunately just double-sided tape, so I don't think it's going to help thermals in any way. I'll have to find an alternative. And M2 screws look cute. I think this is M2. So I have my Raspberry Pi 4B Plus. Was it Plus? No idea. With a custom 3D printed heatsink. And this did shut down a few times because of thermal issues, which I hope this heatsink will fix. It's also got a couple of fans to make it look cool. So if I have to run any long-term data logging experiments on this thing, should be safe from overheating. Oops. I was hoping this would be a little less permanent. I think this had 3D printed threads in it. Not the nicest idea, but it works. Right, so we get this out. This thing is I messed up. This thing is quite a good looking board. Would be a shame to hide it behind a massive heatsink, but I guess it needs the cooling more than it needs the attention. Maybe give it a quick brush. That should do it. And now figure out the orientation. This way. CPU, RAM. I don't know what this is. The controller, some kind of controller. So it goes on like this. Almost making contact with the USB connectors, but I guess that isn't a bad thing. And this goes on the bottom somehow. Okay, great, not bad. Compact, heavy, good looking, and I hope it also acts like a dust cover, although it's exposed. Now, definitely no thermal contact. Well, no physical contact. I don't know if I should put on this tape. I think I will till I find a better solution. Haven't gotten a choice. Okay, there's one. Difficult. Here's another. This one is still sticky for some reason. This one isn't. And I'll just put the third one on for good measure. Oh, there's a film of some kind. Come off. Oops. And I guess I'll get the film of this one as well. Right. Uh, Sketchy, but whatever. If it works, it works. This isn't permanent by any means. The tape, I mean. I just hope it does the job. So all the screws are basically the same size, which is very thoughtful. Now to see if I have an appropriate X head. Nope. Yes. Okay. Corners first. Okay, it's a relatively snug fit. Maybe I could have used it without the double-sided tape thing. I just hope I'm not putting too much pressure on the processor and the RAM. Oops. Very tight. Doesn't want to go in all the way. Whatever. I think I'll call this done. Okay, and now for the fans. I wonder which direction they blew in. Isn't there like an arrow? Nope, I'll just put them on this way. That way the spinning fan won't hit the fins. Okay, that one isn't going in. Nope. Is the hole too small? No. Positioning, perhaps. Okay. The alignment isn't the best, but it's something. So I'll put them in loosely first. And tighten it up in the end. Okay, all in. Okay, perfect. So I just have to check the pin out and then it's time for a power on test. Get out. It's time for the moment of truth. Let's see. Well, I guess one fan is good enough. Maybe something is blocking the second fan. Let's see. It does feel like there's something blocking it. Or maybe it's just a broken fan. Bad luck. Okay, I guess it just needed a little kick starting. There is a little air coming off the sides. So yeah, success. No more hot Raspberry Pi.